to my skincare routine. I'm about to show you guys step by step what I do. Yeah. So first, I like to start off by cleansing my face, of course, with this Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. I use the Even Tone because I have really oily skin. They have others. Then the sponge comes with it, so I'll just wet it and then wet my face a little bit and then get a good little lather going on the sponge and start to do these mini circles on my face. And I do this for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. I get my neck because that's a trouble area for me, and I get above my lips because it gets really dark. I try to avoid the eyes because you know your eyes are very, very sensitive. But yeah, continue to do this for about 2-3 minutes. Alright, so now I'm going to rinse this off with lukewarm water. Alright, so now we're all rinsed. I'm gonna pat dry. So next, I want to tone my face with another Urban Skin RX product. It's a clear and even tone clarifying glycolic pads. So I'll just wipe that all over my face evenly. I'll even get my neck, because like I said, that is such a troublesome area for me. Then you gotta let that baby dry. Okay, moving on to the mask. I use the Indian Healing Clay as well as some apple cider vinegar, and I mix it in this random old bowl that I had some body scrub in. So yeah, I'll pour some out in the bowl like this, and then I'll use some apple cider vinegar and pour it in there. It stinks. I mix it with my finger. I'm not all fancy. I see some people, they use a brush. For me, I just use my finger, you know? Alright, so then it gets to this like liquid consistency. Don't put your nose too close because it smells. And I just apply it with my fingers like this. Put it all over my face. Ooh, caught my lip. Alright. Put it all over my face and my nose and my forehead and everywhere. Remember that you want to avoid the eye area as well. So remember, you want to keep this mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're gonna wait for it to really get dry. You can do different things like watch our next YouTube video or like listen to music. So at this point, I was just in my own zone. I was listening to some songs. Right now, I'm currently listening to Chaos, New Celine. Let's see, Cranium. Ooh, can't smile. Alright, be right back. Next, I'm going to use another Urban Skin RX product, the Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. I put about 1 pump in my fingers and just pat it around my face. This step is very important. Retinol is very good for dark spots. So now I take my vitamin C face serum that I got from TJ Maxx for only $5.99 and my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, which I use both to moisturize my face, and the serum kind of locks in that moisture. So now I just take a little dab of this, put it on my face, and then I'm just gonna massage both of these into my skin. Okay, so like I'm finished, and this is how my skin looks. It took me about a month to get right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!